You think you've heard it all, and then a story like this one comes up where we have a passenger that tackled an entertainer while they were performing on stage. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And we're here to talk about a cruise passenger that tackled an entertainer while on stage. Like I said, this is just not a story you hear about all the time because we're talking the main theater. Everybody's sitting around enjoying the show, and a passenger just gets up, hops on stage, and tackles an entertainer. How often do you see that? But back on March the 1st, on board Quantum of the Seas, currently sailing in Australia, and the magician Ben Murphy, he was performing on stage doing his nightly show. Now, he had invited a female guest to come up on stage to participate in the trick, and they were doing a trick where they each had a folded card in their mouths. And before the trick was even completed, you'll see a male passenger hops up, jumps on stage, and just blatantly tackles him right there in the middle of his performance. Now, he was able to get up, continue and finish his show, and continue to perform the next couple of nights of the cruise. So he didn't receive any kind of permanent harm or permanent injury, and as of yet, Royal Caribbean has not released any kind of official statement on this incident. However, there's reports from the ship now that the male passenger was able to just continue on, enjoy the remainder of his cruise, even after tackling an entertainer. Now, Royal Caribbean has very strict policies about putting your hands on crew members or people working for the cruise lines. They have a zero tolerance policy. You're just not allowed to lay hands on the employees. And while I said it's not been confirmed by Royal Caribbean, just reports from the ship, this guy was able to tackle the entertainer and then go about enjoying his cruise. Now, that doesn't mean there's not a punishment that's coming. That doesn't mean that he didn't receive some kind of fine. That doesn't mean that he's now banned from cruising on Royal Caribbean. But I guess I'm a little surprised they didn't secure him in his cabin for the remainder of the cruise over this type of incident. But you guys, let me know what you think. You ever been on a cruise and seen someone on stage tackled like that? Do you think that they should have had a more immediate and severe punishment for this individual, like being secured in his cabin and then possibly banned from cruising on Royal Caribbean? Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. Now, there is video footage of this incident. If you go over to TikTok, search for Ben Murphy Magician, it will pop up and you can actually see him getting tackled on stage. He does talk about it over there on his TikTok page. So if you want to see that video, definitely go over there, take a look, and kind of make a judgment for yourself as to what you think about this particular incident, which, like I said, for me, this is a first. All right, and that's going to be our quick cruise news video for today. If you have enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.